Hello lads, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a BMW 2019 520 diesel and we have the check engine light on. Now other than the check engine light being on, there are no drivability issues, no other complaints, but check engine light is on, car is running. And weirdly, just want to show you this. Here's the car, I've been in there already. We'll go quick access. Strangely now, in under BMW and in on the engine computer, system selection, engine control module, that's the one. 4 codes. Weirdly, we have no fault codes, but yet we have a check engine light on. So that's under manufacturers in under BMW. If I go back all the way back and I go to EOBD, let's press OK there. This is where I see codes. Enter. Read 4 codes. So we have 2 codes. Well, 4 codes. But 2 are the same. They're the same. So we have P263 Delta Reduction Heater Driver Performance Current. And we have P263D Reductant Heater B Control Circuit Open Current. Now there, that's the same as that, that's the same as that, pending. So 2 codes really. And a check engine light on. Very strange to me that we had no codes under manufacturer specific, but I have my EOBD, so I think I have to go after these ones. So, reductant heater driver performance. That is some kind of heating element on the AdBlue system, I believe. So we get a look at the AdBlue injector, maybe. And pipes. Might take us back to the tank, I don't know. But the other codes I'm after now. I'm going to trust the EOBD here and just go after these ones and see what happens. Okay lads, in under the bonnet of this BMW, just lifted the plastic cover, a little bit of carpet, and we have, look at all this. Looks like something has chewed that, like a rat or a mouse or something. So that's going to have to be something to keep in mind when I'm trying to find this fault. Right, underneath the BMW now, we have our AdBlue injector here, our pipe. I have no heating element on this pipe yet, but I'm chasing it all the way back. Back we go, back we go, back we go, back we go, back we go. And I don't know, back to that. It looks like there are 2 AdBlue tanks. That looks like one AdBlue tank there to me. And then another one on the other side of the wheel, back further. And that's where that pipe ends up, back at this AdBlue tank. Now we do have, look, a heating element wire coming off that pipe. 2 wires here. So, is this my problem? Let's do a resistance check on the heating element on that. You can hear the multimeter beeping. It's not open circuit. 2.6, 2.7 ohms, 2.6 ohms. So the heating element on the pipe hasn't failed, or in the pipe hasn't failed. Now to get at that, you have to take all them screws out, and all this is all covered up. So at the moment, I don't know, still none the wiser as to why I have that code. Okay, so lads, still underneath the BMW, and as you can see, I still have the BMW up and running now, and I still left this heating element wire disconnected off the pipe. Now, they're the codes we had to start with. So with the car running, just see, I want to see will that create a different fault code for me. And it hasn't. I'm still left with the 2 codes, or the 4 codes if you want to call them, that I started with. So that kind of says to me that I'm on the right track here, even though I know the heating element inside the pipe is good. Do I have a problem with the wires coming to it? I think I'm on the right track by hunting and staying after this. Yeah, because I didn't get any new or different codes. I'll keep on this journey anyway and see. You know, it looks like there was mouse or mice or rats or something up there chewing the engine cover. Could they have done something with a wire back here? It's quite possible, isn't it? I'm going to continue on this road anyway. I do think that is heater B. Now, I think there could be another heater inside in one of these AdBlue tanks. Again, I'm not too sure. But at least that's not after creating another code for me, if that makes sense to you. Okay, let's see what we find in a minute. Right lads, back probing the wires coming from the car, say, so not from the heating element, coming from the car. Power supply and ground is going to be, so only 2 wires on that plug. It's disconnected, I know, and the car is running. We have a funny 5.3 volts on that wire, which is a bit odd. What is even more strange is, see where my hand is? If I pull out of that, I can actually kind of change that volt. So do I have a broken wire? Now on the other wire, so I'm on the blue purple. If I move across to the green yellow, I get a good, well, I don't know if it's good or not, but I do get a steady 6.5 that I can't manipulate by moving the loom, but I can on the blue purple. You know, I know the 6 volts is a bit odd, but I'll show you the other side now. Okay, back probed into the green yellow wire now, and as I said to you, 6.5 volts steady. Again, I'll mess around with the loom here. Not changing like it was on the other side. Can't make it drop. Now I know that voltage is a strange one. You would expect 12, but I don't know. Computer could be seen. Well, it is seeing it open. That's how I have a code. I am disconnected. But I think there's something wrong with that blue purple wire. I don't know, dig deeper. Okay lads, more stripping wheel and wing liner off this time, and for good reason, because can you just about see the green crusties there where it's there we are, look. Yes, where it's been rubbing off the chassis. Focus camera, focus. So it's not a rodent or rat problem. And that's how I was manipulating the voltage, by moving that wire loom. So it's coming down here, down, and that's my wire I disconnected going into the heating element. And there's where it's been rubbing off the chassis, surely. I'll have to try and get that out and unwrap that insulation tape off it and have a better look, but surely that's my fault, that's my problem. Cool. Okay lads, a better view of this wire and loom and the damage that's on it. The green crusties rubbed through off the chassis. They're rubbing right there. Oh, stay still. There's a rubbing right there, so I'll open up this. Might be more than one wire damage in here, but I'll do a job on this thing. Tape stripped back there now lads, and it is just the blue purple wire that is damaged, what we thought when we were back probed down here. So there he is, just that one. So let's try and repair that. Just the one wire in there damaged. Alright, there's my repair done there now on that wire. Added in the red piece, soldered together, bit of heat shrink on it, and we'll wrap this up there now with some tape and house it back around where it's supposed to be, clip it in, keep it away from that chassis. Right lads, I'm all back together, rerouting of the wires. We're well away from that chassis there. A little clips and tie clips holding the wiring loom on, and we are all connected back up down here. So we'll get up, we'll start clearing codes, and we'll see. So clearing them fellas, and we'll see what happens with the check engine light. We might go down and check the voltage at that heater element again with no codes, see what happens. Okay, so clearing the codes has now got rid of my check engine light. Car is running there right now and still under EOBD. So EOBD is European Onboard Diagnostics. So it's a generic scan, I suppose. It's on every car, and it has all the emissions data. So that's what I'm in under now. Not would usually first of all go for BMW, but anyway, under EOBD, still in under EOBD. Clear the fault codes, no fault codes. Got rid of my check engine light, which is good news. Right, let's leave this running for a while. We might go down with the multimeter and see what kind of voltages we're reading there now with no fault codes at the heating element thing. So back probing the heating element now, after clearing codes and with the car running, I took out the scope, and that's what we're getting on both wires. So if we turn off the green channel, you'll see the yellow channel behind. So it's the same signal we're getting down both. So it's a pulse. Is this computer just doing a check on that circuit there now? by sending down that, and I suppose he's happy there now. At least we have it's going now from 14 to 0 anyway, pulsing. Battery voltage to 0. It's not being activated there. It's not actuating the heating element in that. But I suppose at some point it will. Conditions are not right for it to activate it. So temperatures will have to be low, I suppose. And yeah. But anyway, I think we're fixed. That's what we have on the wires there now. Okay, now lads, I believe I can throw all them plastics back up underneath the car, covering every bloody way really, all the way up and up along the wheel arch. Find a home for all them size 8s and 10s self-tapping screws and nuts. So put this all back together, get this car up the road, and I think we're done then. I think we have it fixed. Okay lads, this BMW is all back together, just back from a road test there now. No lights on. Let's check out this fault code situation. Yay, no fault codes. Okay, that's it. That's the end of it. 2019 5 Series BMW. That heater for the AdBlue pipe wire rubbing off the body of the car. Right guys, hope this helps someone. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again in the next cartoon. Bye.